What we're going to do here is apply some UV glue to the tip of the 4mm video probe, and then install the 90-degree prism tip, and then cure the UV glue, and this is going to seal out any dust and dirt from getting into the tip. So first thing we want to do is take off the threaded tip adapter. Then we want to clean the tip of the scope so there's no debris on the window. Then we want to take our 90-degree prism and clean this inside. Clean off that prism surface, because that's where the glue is going to be going. Okay, that's clean. Now what we're going to do is take some of our UV glue, apply it to a clean surface, just one drop. Then take an instrument or a tool to apply the glue to the tip of the scope. I'm cleaning off a pair of tweezers right now to grab some of the UV glue. I'm putting that on the end of my tweezers, and I'm going to put it right on the tip of the scope. Several tiny drops right onto the tip of the scope. Okay? Now we've done that. Now we're simply going to install the 90-degree prism tip just like we normally would. I'm going to thread it on, pass the first set of threads, then we're going to push the tip on, thread some more, push the tip on, thread some more, push the tip on, and cinch it down tight. Okay? Now what we're going to do is cure the UV glue with our UV curing wand. We'll simply put the UV straight down on the prism tip and hold it there for 20 seconds. So the UV light is shining through the prism and onto the tip of the scope where we put that glue. And then that's going to cure in place and prevent any dust from accumulating between the tip of the scope and the prism in the adapter. Okay, so that's cured. Now what we're going to do is clean off a little excess UV glue. Okay, so right in this seam right here there's going to be a little excess glue we're going to peel off with a razor blade. See that glue coming up? So we're just going to peel that off right there. And we're done. We're going to clean off a few little extra pieces of debris with a very dry Q-tip. I dipped it in acetone first. Then we're going to swipe that off of there. Okay, now your scope is ready to use. It's protected from dirt, dust, and grime. Now let's say you want to remove the tip because you want to use the scope for forward viewing and not side viewing. Simply unthread the adapter and it'll pop right free. That glue will separate and you'll be able to take the tip off the scope. But now you have to clean off the leftover residue from the UV curing. So simply take a Q-tip with acetone and scrub that off of there till all the glue comes off. Grab another Q-tip, scrub it one more time. Okay, now your scope is ready for direct viewing again. Thread on the protective sleeve and you're ready to go. But now we have to clean up our distal tip of UV glue as well. So what we're going to do is drop that in a little container of acetone. We're going to take it over to the ultrasonic. Clean it for 1 minute in the ultrasonic. Now I'm going to cut this short for the purpose of the video. Take it out. And then we're going to clean the inside of the adapter one more time.
Oh, that's going to make somebody dizzy.
So I'm blowing it out with compressed air. So now under the microscope we're going to clean the tip again. So what we're going to do is take one of our skinny Q-tips, put some acetone on it, come in from the side, and scrub that prism. Just like that. Scrub the prism, just like that, and then we can clean off the top. And one more time inside with a very dry Q-tip. One more swipe. There we go. So the prism is ready to use again and install with UV glue to protect from the dust.